to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be trying out some Sigma beauty stuff. I did film this video like a week ago and I didn't really like the footage, so I'm refilming it again. So you're gonna see some clips from the old footage into this footage, only because like it's been a week since I've used this stuff and most of the stuff is like already dirty, just saying. So I want to show y'all what it looked like when it was clean and nice and pristine. So that's what we're gonna do for today's video. Honestly, it's been like a week since I've used the stuff that Sigma sent me and it's bomb. Like most of the stuff is face stuff, that's why y'all see my eyes already done. But yeah, I'm just gonna tell you right now, it's bomb. And I'm pretty sure y'all know about Sigma Beauty by now, so I'm not late on the train. They just made me an affiliate with their company, so if you ever need to save some money, use the code Beat.By.Burst 10. Don't put the little dots in between. It's just Beat.By.Burst 10 and you can save some dollars on your purchase. Seriously, y'all, use my link because y'all know I love to save y'all money and I like to save myself money. So that's what we're gonna do for today's video. So like I said, you're gonna see clips from the old video. I try to make it like the same, but the only thing that's the same is the background because my hair was straight in that video and now it's curly, but it's fine. Here's a clip of me showing y'all everything that Sigma got me. They got me some brush cleaner, they got me brushes, eyeliner, mascara. What else did they get? They gave me a little brush pad so I can like wipe or like clean my brushes on. It's super cool. They got me blush. So we're just gonna try out everything today. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna apply our foundation. So here's the brush that they were that Sigma sent me. It's the flat Khabuki F80 brush, and this brush is really good, like really good. So I know I've used other brushes and they're good too. This is gonna be a part of my go-to brush collection too. Like I honestly stopped using my Real Technique beauty sponge because this gets the job done. Okay, so that is the brush. As you can see, it's soft, like it's cushiony. This has to be the best flat top Khabuki brush that I've ever used, honestly, and it buffs it out so it's like flawless. Like you see this glow and I haven't even put any highlighter on. Okay, so the next thing we're using is the beauty blender. Okay, so I no longer have the little boxes it came in, but this is the precision like beauty blender, and it has like a round side and then it also has edges on it, so you can get right up into the highlight area. So this thing blends out everything perfectly, like, and the sharp edges you can get right up into here to cut that excess eyeshadow, and then the pointy end you can get in here so that you don't have creasing under here. And then with this side, now you know we about to have a snatch nose, okay? So now we're gonna apply powder with this same sponge, and we're gonna see how it holds up to the test, even though I already know how it holds up to the test because I've used this thing for like a week straight already. So the brush I'm using to contour my nose is the blending E36 brush, and it looks like this. This honestly has been snatching the nose for the gods lately, honestly. Because the bristles are so loose that it gives you like a nice airbrush nose snatch. And Sigma did send me a blush, and it is so cute, y'all. Like, so cute. So this is the blush. Look how cute this packaging is. Like, I'm all for the holographic like design. So cute. And this is the shade. Now you would think this would be too bright for me, but honestly it is not. And this is in the shade Cor-De-Rosa. 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 You know, I'm a little Hispanic, so you can't tell me nothing. Okay. So this is actually their face powder, but I'm just going to use it as a blush because I'm not using this as an all-over face powder. And look how cute this blush is. It's like not too much, but it's like just enough. Because y'all know I hate blush, but I love this one. And it has a mirror too. So we in business. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This is cute. Another thing that Sigma gave me was this eyeshadow base primer. And this is in the shade Bubbly. And this is the packaging. And it looks like this. So it looks like a little crayon, but it's an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this for my inner corner highlight, and a little goes a long way, okay? So we're gonna dab this on instead of swiping it, cause like I said, you see a little goes a long way. And we barely put anything on yet. See? So the mascara that they sent me was the Sinuosity Lash, and it looks like this. It's curved, so you can go in either direction. So I'm assuming the concave, which is this shape I believe, goes for the upper lash, and then the convex, I believe, y'all know I'm gonna look it up, but goes for the bottom. So the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to highlight, because I like to be a snow globe and a disco ball in the summertime. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm just kidding. What if I talk like that for real? Like y'all would, I mean y'all barely watch my videos now, but y'all would probably like not even watch them ever. So the highlighter that I'm going to be using today is the Shop Miss A Baked Highlighter. And this is in the shade Macaroon. And I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush right here. And this is the Spotlight Duster, the F37 brush. And it's super soft and it gets right into the areas of the cheek. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I've used these products for a week now, so I love them. I know I say that about everything, but everything that people send me is so good. It's so good. Don't forget to use my affiliate code Beat.By.Burst 10 to save some dollars on your purchase. But yeah, like I said, this is the finished look. Y'all definitely need to go out and buy these brushes and the blush. The blush was so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are subscribed, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get updated every time I upload a video. So y'all don't want to miss videos. I'm telling you, I'm coming with the heat this summer. Even though it's already summer. Actually, summer starts today. Today's Thursday. That's what it said. What's today? June 21st, right? Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.